The Moral Esteem School's third inter-house sports competition concluded with colorful decorations and strong attendance from parents and guests. The event featured a torch pass, a march pass, relay races, and cultural performances. In a thrilling finale, Yellow House emerged champions, lifting the 2026 trophy from Blue House. Speaking with the report, Headlines meets clarity on GBI and iMedia, parents praise the event's impact on discipline and teamwork on the children.
In my own family, we are two. Like we have two houses. Yes. 2 kids in Blue House, another 2 kids in Yellow House. It's like a competition in the house. Mommy, where will you stand? I don't know. I'm just sitting on the fence watching. So it's really competitive.
Everybody's excited. My son woke up so early this morning. He's a sports person, so anything pertaining sports is always super excited, and everybody's excited. Yes, he has improved, team-wise. Yes, he used to be a loner, but right now I see him working with his mates, and he wants to achieve something better. So he has improved.
And I'm very happy today because this is the third inter-house sport, but I think this is the best we've had, and this is my house. I can say that for my house. For the children that have it, I'm looking forward to. I pray the school, the Lord will strengthen us so that we might be having it every year. Because it's good.
So how do you feel about it? Seeing your child on stage? It's really very exciting, and I would like to release it. Yesterday we went first. Mommy, I'm going to be the queen for my house. I need to go and make my hair. I need to make my dress. I need to do all of this. We finally did it, but we still did not sleep. We woke up very early this morning, only in the neighborhood. We have to be at the house for early. She's really excited, and I'm excited for her. I think this is her first, because we joined Moral Esteem about 2 years ago. She came in basic 2. She's in basic 4 now, and it's been a wonderful journey. I couldn't have gotten it right. One of the best decisions I took when I moved towards this activity was her actually attending Moral Esteem, because it's just a stone throw from the house. And because of the proximity to the house, I was like, okay, I wanted a school that could help me balance work life. But I wasn't too sure of the school itself, being that I'm new in the area and all of that. But with time, I just said to myself, initially, well, let's try it. It doesn't work, we move. We die here. We ain't going nowhere.
So which house are you fighting?
I have 2 houses I'm supporting. Yellow House and Blue House. Yeah, I'm waiting for one of them to win. Yeah, it's going to be a very great impact on them, especially for my daughter. So I'm very glad that she's taking part in one of the activities, because she's very, very, very timid, so shy. I believe this is going to bring her out and bring the good potentials in her. You understand? Because I know she's very athletic. She just needs, it's a push. So I think this is going to help her greatly.
White House. It's all about White House. Oh yes. My daughter is in White House, and she's the princess of the White House. So it's all about White House. Academically, it will expand her physical skills. Yes, run well. So her princess carried very well.
So far so good. It has been a positive impact on them. So the body exercise, you understand? So at least doing them being active in their sporting activities is a very good one. And also improve them their own activities at home, in school and other stuff. But for me, it's a good one. Keep it up.
While students expressed joy at improved mobility.
I wanted to be in Blue House or White House. When I got in Yellow House, I was actually sad, because in our last inter-house sport, Yellow House got last. But now I'm feeling more confident that I will get first, because we're better than some people.
Really? It can improve me in moving my legs, because normally I don't like stress. But since I entered this house, practice every day, so it's not a normal routine for me.
Now you feel lighter.
Yeah, walking around is now better.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that.
Teachers praised the initiative, emphasizing that sports not only build physical strength but also nurture leadership and resilience.
Actually, second term, every school in ERC, Educational Resource Center, so there's a scheme mapped out for second term. That second term, there's a subject called physical health education. The government did not expect the teachers of this subject to teach that thing. What they want from them is the physical aspect of education. So they want them to organize events like this. So why the teacher will take their pen and paper and then write it down? Because we have three aspects of learning: the psychomotive, the effective, and the locomotive. These are the major aspects of learning. So not just about 2 times 2, 3 times 3. There are other things they can do aside classroom stuff. A child that does not know 2 times 2 might be able to run, might do other things, because everybody has different potential, and that's what we are trying to master. Yes, we've been able to, to merge it now, because like I said, we have the formal and informal aspect of learning. So with this now, we've been able to merge it together. So we've been able to know those that can do that psychomotor domain, we know those effective, another domain. So this is the only way we can do it. There are some things they don't do in classroom, but here they will display it. And they will be free with their classmate and whatever, and do those things, display those things. In fact, some of them have this acrobatic display that you might witness with them. Yes.
I would actually be praying for a good performance, and probably I trust my kids on best performance in occasions like this, and mostly based on energy and their dance styles.
I want to first of all appreciate God for a wonderful competition. A lot has been put into this competition, and thank God we had a wonderful day. Everybody had fun and we enjoyed ourselves. And I want to also say congratulations to Moral Esteem School. The first year we did it inside Moral Esteem School. The second year we did it in a smaller space. Today we have come to a bigger space. And the next one we'll do, we go to a bigger space. It shows that the school is growing. So I want to say congratulations to Moral Esteem School. And also congratulations to the teachers, because we have wonderful teachers in Moral Esteem School. So congratulations to our parents too, because if they did not support us, we will not have it. It is their support that brought us here today. So I will say congratulations to the children that did the competition themselves. They put in a lot of sleepless nights. A lot of them had injury while we were preparing. They still braced up and continue to practice. So my general opinion and my general preview of the competition is that the competition was successful. And we thank God for everything, because it's not by our power, it's by the grace of God.
So message to the parents.
Now the parents, I will say, please, we should not relent from supporting these children, these wonderful children that God gave to us. From what I have seen, since we started the preparation and today, we have future champions here. Olympic winners, we have them in this Moral Esteem School. And now it is the parents that will look at this talent and nurture it by supporting the children. So please, let us not relent. Let us make sure that these talents we are seeing in these children, that we nurture it by, encouraging them and giving them the opportunity to always practice, so that they will become what God wants them to become in the future.
Yes, this is inter-house competition. Competition on field events and other sports events, and it will help the students and pupils to engage themselves with some energy exercises that will really, because they say that all works and not play make Jack a double. So one thing about school is not only about academics. So once in a while, every 2 years, we organize during the rehearsals and practice, you will see that they are so much committed, rehearsing match part, rehearsing a lot of games, rehearsing jumping and running. So it enhances their physical energy, and it's very, very good for the development of children.
Want to send a message to
Yeah. So we intentionally organize these house sports around Easter, so that it will also be part of Easter celebration. You can see that the families and children and their uncles and aunties are here, and they're very happy. So after these events now, some of them will now tomorrow is Palm Sunday, and from there Easter Monday, Easter Sunday and Easter Monday. So it's part of Easter celebration. Yes. How are you? Oh, perfect. How are you? Yeah. How are you? How are you? These are my children. Yes, I give a shout out to all my parents, all their families, and all the supporters of Moral Esteem School.
The school community also shared Easter shout-out messages, blending celebration with sportsmanship. The Moral Esteem School community looks forward to more sports competitions in the future, with hopes of building on this tradition of excellence, unity, and holistic education.